What's up guys, this is Nicholas from the Single Dad Nomad, and today my daughter and I are heading to Thailand for 3 months. Which means I am currently packing up. Let's get to it. Here's my daughter's carry-on bag. It folds up, it's got wheels, it has an extendable handle on it. So right now I got 2 of her dolls in there, and then in here I think this stuff is really important. So I've got some stickers, sticker books, also some books I can read to her down here. And then this is really cool. I like this. It's a scratch note sketchbook, so she has to use this thing right here. It's just a piece of wood, and she can use it and see how it scratches off like that. Yeah, so stickers, scratchbook, books for her to read. I think that's really important. Also have a neck pillow for her right here. So I'll pack that in her bag as well. And you can see I got a little bit of space left over here. I also have another bag for her that has nothing in it. And you might be saying, why, Nick? Why would you give her a bag that has nothing in it? And it's because when we get to the airport, if either of my 2 bags are overweight, then I can take some of what's in them and put them in here to separate out that weight a little bit and bring it onto the plane without any kind of penalty. Let's look at what we have in the bag here and see what we can do about its moderate weight right now. It's a little bit heavy, but that's obviously because I have, let's see, some books right here. I need my notebooks, I always carry those. This is all of my daughter's clothes that I'm bringing pretty much right here in this pile. So I got that pretty well, I think. She's got 1 skirt and just enough pairs of pants to mix with her shirts to give herself a full week's wardrobe, which is just enough for traveling in Thailand, even for 3 months, because it costs like $1 or $2 to do laundry, and it's super fast. I have my shirts here. Let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 shirts with me, and there's a pair of jeans. We're going to Thailand, so I probably actually won't wear these. You know, I'll wear them in Hong Kong because it's a city. I'll just put that into the storage. Let's see, some more clothes. Now these shorts right here, these are good for hiking because they have like big cargo pockets on them, but they're actually a little bit heavy. Maybe I'll get rid of those. Let's see what else they got. Some more of Auburn's clothes, her swimmies. I have this ankle brace that I bring with me. Let's see what's in the top of the bag as well. So this is like toiletries. I'm bringing a few beach toys for her. That way she can have beach toys and we won't need to buy any more and create more waste when we get there. This is medicine. I know it looks like a toy. It's in a Paw Patrol bag or box. That's because it's a good box. So I got a lot of medicine in there. It's a good medicine carrying box. A towel, her raincoat, swimming stuff like goggles. Another pair of shorts for me. So actually that's 1, 2, 3 pairs of basketball shorts. That's probably good. I should keep 3. That way I can wash 2 at a time and be wearing the clean one. So she actually has 2 raincoats in here. So why don't I get rid of one of her raincoats too? Don't need to have 2 raincoats. Gotta have her sandals, swimmy shoes, and then I have this right here. Let's see. This is a pretty good flashlight actually. You can see that. But it's a screwdriver too, and multiple screwdrivers. See, a bunch of different screwdrivers. I usually like to have tools like this on me, but I will also leave that behind. And that's actually quite heavy too. Okay, so zip that back up and close that. And then just have a couple more pouches here. See in here, aloe, more medicine. That stuff's kind of expensive. Buying like a new bottle of this could be like $20, $25 in Thailand, especially on the beach. You know, it's super expensive, so I'll hang on to that. The back pouch here. So in here I have like a Auburn's nightlight, just some cords, adapters, and then I use this towel right here to just kind of keep it all safe. It's a good travel towel. Okay, so we're checking on 1 bag. And that's all we're checking on. In my backpack right here, and it's virtually empty. I mean, it has earplugs and neck rest and things like that. My headphones are down in there. Any kind of toiletries you would need in an emergency while traveling, like say our bag doesn't keep up. You know, I got a small toothpaste. I've got some sunscreen, my inhaler because I'm asthmatic. Look, you can see this is virtually empty. You know, I got like nothing in here. So we really don't carry on that much. I know this is Auburn's Hello Kitty folder, but it's actually a serious folder. It has our passports and all of our documents and everything's in there. So I didn't have a folder and Auburn got this. Well, the folder I do have is just way too bulky, so I was like, oh, well, this is kind of actually minimalistic, and even though it's Hello Kitty and I gotta pull that out at the airport, like, I don't care. And I also got a Kindle down in there. I bought an SD card a couple days ago and downloaded all of the movies that we have on Amazon onto it, so that way we don't have to worry about having Wi-Fi if Auburn needs like a movie while we're in transition. That check-on bag, my camera gear, obviously. Maybe I'll go through that bag one day and let you know what I'm using to, you know, produce these videos and shoot on Instagram and upload to Facebook and things like that. The extra bag, just in case, so I'll put that into Auburn's bag, and then we can also fold that one up. Peppa Pig, very cool. In total, what are we taking? 1 big bag. My carry-on, my personal item, Auburn's bag, and obviously inside the extra bag, just in case we need to separate out the weight. So 1, 2, 3, 4 bags total. And actually looking at it, looks like more than what I intended on taking, but like I said, you know, in this bag you can see there's still plenty of room left. This one is virtually empty. That one's quite full because it's my camera bag. And this one's quite empty as well too. So really not bringing that much. It just looks bulky, I guess, for the time being. That is what we're packing to go to Thailand for 3 months. We really don't need that much to travel that long. And I just want to kind of convey that to you. Every time I've traveled now, I've realized that I can keep cutting what I own in half. The first time you take a whole bunch of bags, like, okay, well, I didn't need all that, I'm gonna cut out an entire bag. The next time, oh, I packed the bag, stuffed it full of everything, like, okay, well, maybe I could cut some of it out of it. And just over time, as you keep doing that and doing that, like, that's why I'm going now. And it's like, yeah, this bag's got, you know, not full at all, this bag's basically empty, you know, so is Auburn's now. Like, we just have way more space than what we need even in our backpacks. Yeah, so you could do this too, and that's just part of like minimalistic travel. I feel like I have quite a bit of stuff here, and I feel like it's a lot to manage because I like having so few things, and it's just easier to manage your life like that, I think, with fewer things. But this really isn't that bad, you know. If you're single and you don't have a kid, you should be able to travel in a bag like this no problem for months and months and months and months on end, you know. Maybe you have a camera bag too, but you just wear that on the front so you look like a turtle with a shell, or a slug. So if you wear your bags like that, people call you a slug. Like and comment on this video, share with your friends, and it would be awesome if you subscribe to the channel. I started YouTube not too long ago, so you could be one of my first subscribers, and I would love you for it. Very much appreciate you. Thanks for coming along on the journey, guys.